Okay, V, go ahead and open it up.
You can go get it and then ask your mom if you can open it.
As soon as Violet's done with hers, we'll do one at a time, okay? Oh!
At least I can bend the metal on my fence at my school so I can...
Can you turn on? Hey, Lowen, can you?
What is that?
Violet, what do you think it could be? Yeah, up. Yeah, thanks. What could it be, Violet?
What is that even?
Oh my god. That thing is... Yeah, I'll have to... Oh, that's...
Do you recognize anybody on that box? It's Doc McStuffins. What is that? It's her checkup center. So that way you can be a doctor to the baby animals. Do you like it? Lowen, grab the handle. Oh my. Okay, Lowen. Yeah, so now, Violet, you can help all the baby stuffed animals feel better, okay?
She loses it.
Okay.